Welcome to a video from Plow Library. Today we'll be showing you how to use the library search box to construct a search using the Boolean operator not. Not can be used when you want to narrow your search down to a specific topic. You can take key terms from your topic or your research question and connect them with not. Let's say that my project is about people's car use on surface streets. Here, I don't want to know about how people use their cars on highways. I only want to know how they use cars on surface streets. So I can search for cars, not highways, and this would result in materials that cover cars, but not anything related to highways. You might be wondering, why can't I just search cars? Well, just searching cars might include some results that talk about highways, and we don't want results that talk about highways. Not filters those results out. This Venn diagram illustrates how the cars circle and the highways circle overlap. The content covered using the not Boolean operator covers the materials in the area that only cars touches, not where cars and highways overlap, and not where there's material only about highways. To construct our search, we'll start on the library's homepage, cbu.edu/library, and we'll use the library search box. And we'll construct our search, cars, not highways. Note that we're capitalizing not, and that's a good practice to have when we're using Boolean operators, since not all databases will allow for lowercase Boolean operators. When we click on search, we end up with some search results. From here we can browse through our search results or filter further using the filters on the left side of the page. If you have any remaining questions about how to use Boolean operators while doing your library searches, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you. And thank you for watching this video on how to use the Boolean operator not to limit your library search results.